Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm in amazing Nepal right now. I'm inside the hotel, so you can't really see it, but it kind of looks like that. I have to admit, it's one of the Kathmandu is very busy city, crazy. I've been to 40. How many countries have I been to? 42 countries now. We counted this morning. 42 countries. And this has to be the dirtiest city I've ever seen, actually. The people are lovely, very friendly. The food is amazing. But the city, I saw crazy stuff yesterday. But we're going to go to I just recommend it. It's just, if you're into like hard travel, backpacking travel through dirty cities and hiking and stuff, this is the country. But it's the first day here. I'll keep you updated as I travel around. Hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. And even though I'm in Nepal, I'm making videos from my phone, making money. Yesterday we made a lot of gains, and you can learn all of this from your phone. If you've been watching me 2.5 years, you haven't taken the crypto master course yet, actually take it and learn what I'm teaching. You've seen me now traveling the world for 2.5 years, making these daily videos from my phone, from Thailand with that giant villa in Thailand to Address Skyview in Dubai, one of the best apartments. Many countries I've been on a journey with you all, which is beautiful. I talk to you more than I talk to anyone, all of you more than I talk to even my family. So you're my family in a way. I love you all. Hit the subscribe button. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to technicals for Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin unfortunately yesterday, if you followed my videos, it hit my target, but my trade was a little bit. So, okay, what you're looking at here is the price movement of Bitcoin over time. You can see that we've been dropping from 40K, 27K, bear flag, and dropped again. And it's playing out on this pennant. It's constantly playing in this pennant we've been having. And we've got, this was the past pennant that played out, bearish pennant, and now we have another one that's playing out right now, and I'm going to show you it as well. So that was the bearish pennant that played out, and then we fell. This is another bearish pennant that's playing out, and if you saw my video yesterday, my point, I actually had to open the short, taking us to $12,000 if this pennant breaks out. I very hope I'm wrong. I hope a W formation plays out right now, and we break out of this pennant, bounce, test, and start to head up, and Bitcoin bottoms. That's the best thing that we can have happen for the crypto markets. But if this TA is correct, the stochastic is turning to head down. We're getting rejected off the top of this pennant here. If this plays out the way I'm showing, it will not be nice for Bitcoin, unfortunately. If we drop here, we could be dropping towards, if the stochastic turns down, which it looks like it's doing, oops. And let's see, squeeze mob is going towards the green side. That's a good sign. RSI is heading down, but quite oversold. Volume is quite okay. EMA ribbons, we're underneath the EMA ribbons on the daily. Crypto Guru Bot still firing a sell, which it called the sell. You get it in the master course, the Crypto Guru Bot. It called the sell back here. It turned red and sell at 42,000 up here. It called the sell, and then it headed down since. So that was a great call on the Crypto Guru Bot. It's very accurate. So at the moment, it's not looking good. Triple MA is still heading down. There's no good sign for Bitcoin at the moment on the daily. On the 4-hourly, and this is what's unfortunate, because if you followed my video yesterday, I had a trade to go short on Bitcoin at 20,671, right? It was a one Bitcoin trade to go short. My take profit would be at 14,000, which is $6,297 in the profits. My stop loss was at 310 in the so that trade was 20,671 to go short, and it bounced off. I just missed it. Look at that. That short, we went to a price of here 20,613. You can see at the top left, 20,613. So my trade actually just missed opening, 20,613. My trade missed it by just a few dollars, unfortunately. Around $40 or $50 it missed opening. But my prediction is that we still go down here to the 19,000 and then break to the downside and break this bearish pennant, because a bearish pennant usually plays to the downside. And I showed that in the previous video, target 12,000. Hopefully this trade is wrong. Hopefully it doesn't, and we get a bounce here and we break out. I'm hoping a W formation forms on Bitcoin, but TA, we're forming a bearish pennant. But if a W formation forms, we can go here, bounce, retest, and head up. That would be excellent for Bitcoin, but most likely bearish pennant playing out. I would still go short on Bitcoin here, actually, opening a short here. Stop loss above the daily here, and the take prefer all the way down here at 14K. This will be a crazy big short. That would be a 19.96 ratio short. I would be risking $422 to make $8,426 unleveraged. With 10x leverage, that would be $84,000 of profits. With 100x leverage, that would be $840,000 of profits. That's the trade that I would take. Stochastic is very overbought, turning to head down. I'm going to open this trade right now, everyone. RSI is heading down overbought on the 4 hourly. Squeeze mob is turning to overbought on the green side as well. EMA ribbons, we above the EMA ribbons, but every time we come above them, we get rejected and it turns down. Hopefully it turns up, and hopefully this trade is wrong, but I don't think it is. VPVR, yeah, so Crypto Guru Bot fired a buy a few days ago, which is actually a good sign. It fired a buy. Hopefully that's a good on the 4 hourly, but in my opinion, this is going to happen. Most likely to happen, unfortunately. On the hourly, Stochastic is heading down quite strongly. Squeeze mob is going to the green side, the red side. RSI is heading down. It would have been nice because my trade was already set. It just missed it by, literally, so we came up here. We came to 20,000 here, 20,618, and my trade to short was open at 20,671. So it missed it by $53. $53, this trade would be massively in the profits. But unlike me, a lot of my students in the Telegram chat room, we have a Telegram, there's 2,128 people in there. A lot of them actually caught that trade that I talked about. So this is some of their, see, we got a lot of the students actually, this guy is up 426%, this guy's up 89%. A lot of the students inside that Telegram actually caught the trade, so they got that short. So here you can see Mercury is now, she went short with one Bitcoin. She's in $222 in the profits. Now it's actually probably $400 in the profits. Congratulations, Mercury. A few people actually took that trade that I was talking about. This Sand, he's up 115. That was from a different trade, but a few other people took. This trade room is free, by the way. This Crypto Guru Alerts has 2,128 members in here. Now, what's going to happen with Bitcoin? Let's get back on subject. I would go short right now with this. I'm going to open this trade, and I'm going to share this trade in the Telegram. So I'm going to go short with this, risking 422 to make 8,426. So opening the short, the way these trades work, I do these trades on Bybit. This is my take profit down here because it's a short, right? So it means I'm betting that Bitcoin will be going down. I'm opening a trade going down. This is the stop loss where it will trigger automatically. If Bitcoin breaks above this, then it will trigger the stop loss. I could actually put the stop loss a little bit higher here, just above this previous resistance. So that's the stop loss that I'll put. I'm going to retake that screenshot and share it in the Telegram. So I'm risking 560 to make 8,400 unleveraged. So that's the short I'm going to take. I'm going to open it now. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, you go down in the description, you sign up to Bybit. On Bybit, you can do Bitcoin and altcoin trading. You can short, long, you can buy altcoins. You can short and long Bitcoin. You sign up using this link down below. So in the description of this video, you go down below on your phone, you sign up, you get 4,450 sign up bonus when you deposit Bitcoin. You get that free 4,400 US dollar sign up bonus when you deposit Bitcoin. And if you don't use that link, you only get $400 bonus. So make sure you use the link in the description. My team organized this for you with Bybit. And they're one of the best exchanges. They've got very low fees. Bybit is a very big exchange. They're the third biggest exchange in the world. They have very low fees. They're a secure exchange. They've never been hacked. I know the founder myself, Ben. He's an amazing guy. It's a very strong company. Your funds, in my opinion, safe. So I would be using Bybit here to go short. Again, so everyone go down. Use this link, sign up. Once you sign up, you go into Bybit. I'm going to open this short right now. You have to do your own due diligence, but this is what I'm doing and my thoughts in the market. I'm going to do a 20x leverage short. I'm going to open the short exactly where we're sitting right now. I'm going to do a $1,000 short, and I'm going to take profit. My take profit is going to be all the way down at the target. So the take profit, let it load 1 second. Will be at 11,826. Stop loss will be at 20,860. So I'm risking 560 to make 8,343. That's too much leverage in my opinion. So I'm going to actually lower my leverage. I don't want to risk 500 on any individual trade, even though you don't risk more than 2% of your portfolio. I have millions, so you need to keep that in account, but I don't like risking so much on trades. I'd rather risk very little to make massive gains. So so I'm risking now $280 to make $4,171, risking $280 to make $4,171. That's an epic risk to reward. And I'm opening a short. So update, yeah, opening short right now. Let's open it exactly where we're sitting. Open short, confirm. That trade is now active. It's sitting right under the order. Let's see, order book. You can see the order book there on the right. So that trade is set, which is beautiful. It will automatically open by itself, and my target is this target. So expecting Bitcoin to drop here. Unfortunately, I'm expecting Bitcoin to drop to this target. Hopefully I'm wrong, everyone. I hope I'm wrong as well, and I lose that $290 and we break out, create a W, bounce with volume and go long. If you wanted to go long, that's the time to go long. Once it does that, once it breaks out, retests with volume bounces, that's the time we would then open a long, which I'll update you if that happens. But in my opinion, we're playing out in this bear flag right now. You can clearly see it in the longer term time frames. We've been laddering down. This bear flag will take us, the way bear flags work, you move the distance of the pole. So this distance, we move this distance here, dropping to that target there, the 11,800, which is not beautiful. That trade is now open. I'm currently short Bitcoin with 0.486 Bitcoin, so around to $10,000 short. And again, signing up to Bybit down below to start trading. And don't forget to join our free Telegram live alerts group. The links are in the description. If you join the Telegram group, we're going to give away a PlayStation 5 in the next week. So make sure you join that Telegram group for that giveaway and join Bybit to do those trades. And you can take the crypto master course with 6,500 students where you get the bot, where you learn how to trade, you learn technical analysis. And yeah, those are my thoughts in the market. Let's see what else we've got here. One of the students, he made in the chat room 426% on CRV long. One other one made Sand 89% long profits. Glassnode is showing the number of active Bitcoin addresses is going back up. So even though Bitcoin price has been dropping, the number of active addresses is climbing, which is good. That means people using Bitcoin wallets. And don't forget the crypto mastercourse, stock mastercourse, they're all on a discount, 20% off for the 4th of July. That ends in the next few days, 11th of the 7th. So make sure you join and get 20% discount on the crypto master course. It's great that the world have you in this crypto space. I love the way you open your heart to teach everyone, sharing your trades. Please keep doing good job. Thank you, and Woko. Give me your wallet address. And then the robber being like, funny man. Good morning, James. 3 months I've been following you and many times have used your TA in my trade. Thanks a lot. You're welcome, Anastasios. And yeah, have an amazing day, everyone. Again, join us in this Telegram group. There's now 2,128 people. I'm going to share my trade in there as well. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day. This is James from Crypto Guru. Hit the subscribe button, join 76,000 people, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.